Athletes in Western Jamaica continue to face major obstacles in their pursuit of competitive swimming. The absence of training pools outside of Kingston and St. Andrew has forced clubs to rely on alternative methods, raising renewed calls for improved aquatic facilities to support national development of the sport. Christopher Scott tells us more.
It's no secret that areas outside of Kingston and St. Andrew have been long calling for the construction of swimming pools to support athletic development. Head coach of the Blue Marlin Swim Club in Montego Bay, Rosemary Logan, says her athletes are forced to rely on alternative training methods as they prepare for swim meets held at the National Aquatic Center.
We have been training at Doctor's Cave Beach still, and open water, that's our thing. In doing open water swimming, we have produced open water swimmers for Carifta. So, and triathlon, because we have Ricardo Davis, who swims triathlon, So, in not having the pool is a plus, is good, but a pool would still be good.
She adds that the lack of access to a swimming pool in Montego Bay negatively impacts athletes' development as many swimmers are introduced to the sport at a much later stage.
We have swimmers in high school in Montego Bay, in St. James, in that region, that a lot of them don't pick up swimming until high school. However, there are only 3 high school meets that's going on through the year.
Logan also highlighted the financial burden faced by swimmers and their families outside of the corporate area, noting that the cost of travel and accommodation makes consistent training and competition difficult.
As it is costly for us to come. The overnighting is costly, the traveling is costly, and we have pushed out. I think the present ASAJ body is looking and have engaged us in conversation. We trying to include us and trying to make it easier.
Apart from the construction of a pool, Logan alluded to other areas of such facilities which would have to be given added attention.
Other entities I've heard of considering a pool. But, at the end of the day, outside of building a pool, there's also a maintenance factor. And I think everybody who is looking at wanting to invest, also looking on how it's going to be maintained.
Coach Logan was speaking at the recently concluded Carl Dalhouse swim meet held at the National Aquatic Center, where the Blue Marlin Swim Club finished 14th in the age group division with 29 points. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.